Hey, good morning, traders. How you guys doing? How are you, Ashwin? Are you guys doing on the YouTube, guys? Good to see you after a break. Market is just in let's just continue on a ripping mode. Beautifully moved up. Unbelievable. Market made the new high yesterday. Did any of you guys traded yesterday? So what I'm watching to see, the market has moved a lot. Right now, my market is in consolidation. And if you look at my chart on the ES, uh, let's do this 30 minutes for better visibility. Um, we can clearly see here. You can see here we made a top, then we can sold off here. We made a top, we sold off here, and but this time we basically proceeded, and now it is a true breakout. It was a fake out. We wanted to see that can the market hold this area. Good morning, traders. Good morning, Vivek.
Good morning. How are you?
Very good. So what did you do? The market made the new high.
Yeah, it's going to go to the moon.
Did you trade yesterday?
I did a little bit, yeah.
How was
Not
it?
a lot. It was okay.
Made any money?
Yeah, a little bit, not huge.
Long or short?
I did a little bit of short, but that was before it jumped super high. So it worked.
But did you see that this was a perfect setup about the pre-market high setup, which I taught you in the class? That was yesterday, the perfect setup.
Yeah.
Go back and check the rules.
Yeah, it was, it worked. I had a level where it was like not, it was halting. So that's where I went short, and then it went down quite a bit, like 40 points or something, 50 points. That's
Yeah,
what I took. And then I got out as soon as it started jumping back.
yeah. So I mean, I'm looking at today. Today is a very tight range as well. Um,
Yeah, it is.
now, now the question what I'm trying to see here is that every time we in the past, few weeks comes in here, it's sold off because a new level, right? Uh, this time it's obviously it's broke out, but the question is that is this a real, you know, breakout or it is a fake out? Usually fake out happens even may can happen maybe fake today and or maybe tomorrow, but it can fake out as well that try to make a new high, fail, and then come back again into that range. So it can very much possibility of going back into the range as well because this is a really a big range. So when this big ranges break out, there's a higher probability of faking out as well because the ranges was really big. So what I'm likely not be buying a breakout, but I'm not be the first one shorting uh, the downside as well. I wanted to see what it does because if it's going to fail, is likely going to come back into this range. So very much possible that the way it happened here, uh, you know, it can happen here as well. So 6794 is a very key level on the ES to see whether it can hold 6800 or not. Similarly, if we go back to the NQ, um, is the same thing on NQ as well. The 25290 and the prior high was I think 2575 somewhere. And I think that was one. Did you guys saw my yesterday post which I posted yesterday? So here, if I go here, look at this. So this is our smart traders website, trading plan September 9. If you went there and look at it, you know, you would you would be a very much better off in just trading that. Look at this trading plan ES and NQ. Okay, September 9. Yesterday I posted that for all of you guys to read and learn. What I said that is this September 9? I think is it older? Let me see here. This doesn't look good. No, this is September 9, not this one. Where did my yesterday? Why can't you see? Oh, here you go. So October 8. Look at this one. So what did I say that the 6570. Let's look at the NQ so you can see for NQ 25,000 zone, right? If it's gonna hold 25,000, we're gonna see an upside, a long biased, right? Do not short anything under this level. Do not go inside range day. 25,000 held 25,000 I marked the key levels, and now look at this 25 120, and now look at the chart of yesterday 25 120 here, and it straight broke this level and just closed the gap immediately. So I think what I'm looking at it today exactly the same thing. If we broke this level, try to make the new high and fail, we're likely gonna come back into the same ranges. So be very mindful. Don't be get biased into one direction. Like maybe you guys trying to short yesterday, or maybe like going trying to go long today. So it can immediately reverse. You know, and it's slipping now again. It's coming back down here. Look at this. But gold is absolute rip, man. Every day you just come in and buy the gold. That's it. That's you. That's all you need. Look at this. So look at this gold, man. You just come every day and buy gold. Absolutely, phenomenal. Look at this. This 15-minute charts. Look at this. Isn't it? Every day it will give you a small pullback, and then start ripping back out again. Small pullback and start ripping back out again. This just, I mean, unbelievable. The gold is just unbelievable. What do you say, Vivek?
Yeah, Ray Dalio said, of course, everyone knows, but he said that buy gold.
Who's saying?
Ray Dalio, he's the Bridgewater guy.
He wants to sell the gold, so he's asking you guys to buy.
Yeah, but it seems, I mean, I've been noticing not just him, but even before the tariffs started, I
Mm.
think as soon as President Trump was elected, in the first couple of months, a lot of gold was brought by like chartered planes from London to New York. So they brought a lot of gold.
Oh
So
yeah.
yeah, so it seems the banks were already thinking about it. That's why the prices are super high. It went up like crazy, right? Since this start of this year, almost how much it has gone up since
The
the
question
beginning.
is how is it all going to go end?
Yeah, that's right. It has to end at some point once everything is clear, right? Clarity. But it has been going up. It
But
has.
I never seen that all asset classes rally everything at the same time. I've never seen that rally before.
It's about the
Gold.
dollar, right? It's about the dollar that dollar is not strong anymore. So it,
But
it
still, I mean, it's not about the. So, the question is that is this is this a it is a liquidity pumping, is the cash pumping, how these prices are just keep going all asset class at the same time.
so gold is not related to stock per se. Gold is related to dollar, right? So if someone is dumping dollar, for example, they will buy gold. But stocks are different. Stocks are based on other factors, right? Like the rates, interest rates, and all that. But
Mm.
gold is related to currency. So lots of countries like BRICS and BRICS in China and all those countries, they want to now trade among themselves because of the tariffs, right? So the dollar value is going down that for that reason. China, India, Russia, Iran, Brazil. So the tariffs are affecting dollar more than anything else.
Yeah.
But yes, ultimately it'll affect everything. Its tariffs will affect the companies too when they lay off people and then they increase prices and all that, right? So, but right now it's just dollar to gold, I think.
Yeah. I think that would be absolutely crazy, man. I'm looking at it.
Yeah, I don't. No one should be shorting gold at least in the near future because U.S. has been U.S. and then dollar has been leading forever, but with this new setup of tariffs, I think the dollar value will not sustain forever.
I mean, whatever is going to happen, but I think the interesting stuff is that the uh, when this all is going to get in, how it's going to. That is the more important than anything else.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I was just looking at the, and I was telling, I mean, this, I was telling you way back. I think I don't know what time is it, but I think a few months ago I was telling you guys, people were shorting it. Oh, how come E is a 6,000? I said, don't worry. I said 63,000. I said, don't worry. 65,000. I said, no, don't worry. When market is going into those momentums, normal trader think that, oh, where this money coming from? How come, it is going that much up? I think it's not about that. It's basically how the institution leverages, right? So those, because of this artificial crash in the beginning of February, March, and April, institutions were able to get very cheap assets. And when they were able to get the cheap assets, well, now what, right? Every move up, they have more unrealized profit. And from the unrealized profit, they can buy more call options and they can more leverage to buy more upsides, and it will continue to go up unless they get tired and they will recycle it.
Mm. Yeah, so there are multiple things going on right now. One is definitely tariffs, right? And then the second thing is the AI thing. AI super cycle is going on. So the stocks are going up because major AI players are going up, right? They're driving I mean, not everything is going up. Like if you look at Disney, it hasn't gone up a lot, right? It has been same almost. So Disney is a good example of like a company that is a generic company, um, and then all the AI companies are going up, so that has blown up the market. Nasdaq as well as ES because they are the major players there, right? But the people are scared of there's another thing going on in the parallel that like people are scared that when this AI boom will bust. So some people are cashing in and buying gold, uh, but then the super cycle is still going on. So it's a
It's the
mix.
same thing, every bull market has a theme. Uh,
Yeah.
After COVID-19 was electric vehicles. You know, I think COVID-19, after COVID-19 was everything was booming, but e vehicles was the player. This time is AI. Nothing going to be fruitful or start getting benefits out in just one cycle. But I guess let's see that how the cycle ends. But I think that my advice is that, or I would rather say that, in my opinion, that do not uh, preempt that when it's going to end and start shorting it, because it's just going not going to help you. All right.
Yeah,
Okay. So
shooting is not the answer for sure. But people are just cashing in, maybe. And whoever is like in the retirement accounts, probably people are playing safer. Uh, people are not even sure where to put the money. If there is a crash, then what happens, right?
Mm,
Where to put the money? because because they are limited, like 401ks, they are limited by what the companies offer, right? Like the
mm,
they can't just control their own thing, so they don't know what to do. The treasuries are also not very popular because they are also not going up. So it's confusion. That's why I think somehow people are getting into gold. But yeah, I'm not a gold expert, but gold has been going up,
mm.
right?
All right, guys. So we'll see what's gonna happen today. I think the plan, I'm gonna make it simple. That between the 25 270 to 25 392, I would be slowing myself down and see what's going to happen between these two ranges. We can scalp between 15 20 points, 30 40 points move if we can get it. But real move gonna come in, either we're gonna see a failure of 24 25 400, or we're gonna see a breakout over 25 400. So we'll see what's gonna happen. But I will not be buying the first breakout here. All right, so 4 minutes. Guys, any question on the YouTube? Why you guys are so quiet today? Ashwin, you are so quiet today. Is everything all right? Oh, I think Ashwin, you're writing on the main chat, not in the on this channel chat. That's why I can see your messages. So let's look at the book map. How does the liquidity look like on the book map? Not much liquidity on the upside. There's a lot of water sitting on the downside. Okay, we'll see what's happened next. On the ES side, yeah, a lot of liquidity on the downside. Even in the book map, a lot of liquidity sitting on the downside today.
So on Bookmap, A lot of liquidity is on the upside too, right? On NQ.
I mean, not a lot. If you look at it, there's some order sitting at 23,350, and then there's an order at 23,400. But majority, I'm showing on my screen as well. Uh, if you see on the screen, you can see here that the big order sitting on the downside. You see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. So see here, it's very prominent here. 262, 250 are the big orders sitting, and then we have some orders, but not that much. So it's possible that it's going to go back up first, grab the liquidity on the upside, make the fake breakout, and then come back down and go to 62, 272, which was the prior high. Right now, we are very much close to the VWAP.
So your levels, did you already provide those? I may not have noted down.
What is, sorry, what?
Did you provide any levels today?
Yeah, so levels is a very clear levels. 1 minute remaining. I wanted to see, you know, that how this pre-market range breaks, but I will not be buying the breakout over the yesterday high. I'm looking for the scalp on the upside if even a momentum continues. But I'm looking for a more failed breakdown under the prior high. Okay, so first market opens, guys. Market open. First move on the upside. Why I can't see here?
It hasn't opened yet.
Oh, it's a 15 seconds remaining. Okay. White symbol. I thought it's a big move. All right. So very close to the VWAP, trying to break out here before the 15 seconds. ES is already above the VWAP. Here you go. Don't flash it. Come on. Don't flash first move. Come on. Here you go. The first move. Oh man, I think they're grabbing the liquidity on the downside first. Immediate push down, almost 25, 20 points here. ES is still holding. E is still green, holding EVAP. Here you go. All right. So both in the range right now. Uh, ES broke the pre-market high. Beautiful breaking out. Let's see what NQ does. NQ has some order at 23,340, which is just below the pre-market high. The problem is that ES is unable to break the VWAP. So NQ is not able to break the previous high. Is So NQ is futures are slightly red, ES is positive over the VWAP. So there's a divergence here again. NQ wanted to come back down first, I guess. So okay, ES has also rejected it. I don't want it to short here, even though it is go with my thesis. But I think the problem is that it didn't really try, with the convincingly over the highs, opening range and then failed. But NQ is just doing exactly the same thing what we expecting, that it's just going to try and then fail. Yeah, it's failing right now. I'm not sure in the trade. Anyway, that's what exactly what I was expecting, that it might gonna fail here. Let's see what it does. If it's gonna fail here, it is likely gonna go back into the yesterday range. Come on, push a little bit before you give us the some chance to shoot. That's the problem with this kind of a setups, that it just gonna come very quickly. If you do not execute, you lose it. If you chase it, you lose it. Like, this is a perfect chance for us to enter, I guess, on the short side. I'm gonna short under 25 303, and my profit will be 80s and 70s area. Let's see, can you get it? Okay, I'm in the trade. Okay, first move down very nicely. I'm trailing it. Okay, good moving. Very good moving. Didn't take the profit yet. Really good move. I took the partial on the pre-market low. 393.95 bounce. I'm out. Just a quick scalp. It may further go down because a lot of orders sitting at 70s. But given it's a pre-market low, I don't want to be the first person to short here. Okay. So I'm out. Did anyone take the trade with me? It was a quick trade, but I mean, it's a profitable trade for sure. Good, good, good for you, Cosmer. All right, let's see what it does. I think it's still weak. It's still weak. If you can see here, it's still weak. I don't want to take the trade and hoping the pre-market low is going to break out. Okay, because this is really a stubborn level. So I'm gonna wait because usually in the strong market, people buy here on the pre-market low, but it's still failing. You can see here clearly failing. Khurshid, did you take it? Sean, Ron, Ashwin, Vivek, did you take it?
No.
Oh man, I came after so many days and took the trade and you didn't take my trade. Well, I think still, let's see what it. I really hope that this is going to go up and fail on the upside and then come back down. Here you go. Another leg down coming in. I think the NQ is coming down, trying to break pre-market low. It's really weak at this point. A lot of water sitting, but I don't see. But look at the bottoming tail. I don't want it to be the first person to shoot. I would rather see a strong reversal and then failure. Awesome, Khurshid. You made your week. Good job. SPY is still green. If you look at the SPY is still green. Um, and NQ is still green. The gold is coming down. Gold is coming down. Here you go, man. This breakout is real. This breakdown is real. But I'm not in the breakdown. Come on, man. Fail here. We don't want you to go down very quickly. Come on. Come on, NQ. Have some courage. Come on. Get ready, guys. If it's gonna squeeze, we're gonna try to go long with the squeeze. Okay. If we're gonna go squeeze, if possible, it's gonna squeeze first before it's coming back down. All right. Get ready for long here. 23, same level where we went short. I think this is a perfect level for going long here as well. If it's going to come with a strong volume. I would like to see if we can break with the volume and close above 23, 25, 310. I'm going to go long with the risk of 15 points. 23, 5, 10. Oh, here you go. See, this is what I was talking about. That man, we knew it's going to break down, but I don't have a courage to short it here on the pre-market low. What did I tell you, Vivek? That there are a lot of auto sitting on the downside even before market open.
Yeah.
Man, but I didn't have the courage to front run this short. Let's see what happened. It's highly possible that the market going to reverse everything what we they had yesterday. Gold is coming back down, straight down as well. So check, Vivek, is there any news or just price action as I predicted it?
No, there's no news.
So I think that now we need to look for the retest of the pre-market low. Okay, guys, I think the this is going to reverse completely what they have had it yesterday. Look like to me. I'm going to try shorting it if it's going to reverse and retest 25 to 90. I mean now ES is also coming down. I think this is coming down. Gold is coming down. I think gold is coming down. Everything is collapsing. Come on, don't do that. Don't do that. Give us a move. Man, look at this shit. I missed that move. I'm really pissed now. Where is the entry now, man? I missed it. Just going down, buddy, without me. Oh, man. Oh, man. What are we gonna do now? Are we gonna cry? Hmm? Are we gonna cry now? Okay, 72 was the prior high. So let's see, it's just retesting it. I really want to go to 25 to 90. I really want this. Man, look at this. It doesn't have even have a capacity to go here. Um, Come on, go, man, go. And I think we just need to cry now. Come on, go push. Come on, push. Push, 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 push. I'm going to go short, guys, on the 2025 295. If it's going to go back, retest pre-market low and fail here, I'm going to go short. Come on. Come on. And if you just press randomly short button, is going to start working again in favor of you. Such a weak market here. See, ES is also losing it. All right, that's good. See, your bounce is coming now. Come on. Come on. No, no bounce. It just doesn't have any bounce. This market had no bounce. It's really weak. I think it's going to be Vivek. What I mentioned to you guys in the morning is going to be have a same episode what we had seen yesterday. It's going to be have a same episode what we've seen yesterday. But man, we don't have any trade here. How are we gonna take the trade? Say something, Vivek. Why you're so quiet?
I'm just looking
What are you
what
looking?
I mean. It has to reverse. That's what I'm thinking.
No, man. This is just a episode of yesterday reversal. But we need to find an entry, otherwise we're gonna miss the move. Right now, it is extremely weak. The point is that should we risk it here 20 points? Um, and even if we stop out, we will try one more time. I think that's what I'm going to do here. 20 to 25 to 80, and then the and then 60. So 20 point stop loss. Okay. I will see if we can. They have a little bit of range here. Okay, here you go. All right, I think this is where I think we're gonna get into play. I think they're gonna give us a bounce now. So I'm going to short anything between 25 to 80 to 25 to 90, and my risk would be the 20 points from the top where I'm gonna enter. Um, okay, good. I think I really want before I enter if I can get this little bit of short, upside move. People think it's a long. They tramp the long side, and then again, really pull down very quickly. So, all right, I think this looking like that's the case. Okay, all right. So I'm going to go short. If it's going to fail 22, 25 to 90, I'm going to short here. All right, come on, a little bit more. Push on the upside. Come on, go. All right, good. Come on, more, a little bit more. Pretend that you're going long, going upside move, and let the traders buy for you, so we can continue to ride the downside move. Come on. No, a little bit more up, 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 up. Break the 80. Come on. All right, good. Guys, get ready for shorting it. I wanted to see the rejection of the pre-market low. No rejection yet. Okay, I'm entering it now here. All right, I'm stopped out. I'm going to retry the 10-point stop loss. I took the 10-point stop loss. I'm going to retry once it's going to fail 25 to 90. My entry would be under 25 to 90 now. All right, it's going to the VWAP, much better. Okay, I'm shorting now, shorting here, risking the VWAP. It seems like I'm going to stop out again here. 309 is my stop loss. Come on, don't do that. Come on. A lot of water still sitting on the downside. Come on. No, 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 no. Oh man, it's gonna complete squeeze. I think I'm gonna stop out again here on this one. Alright, I have a two stop out. Shit, man. Alright, I lost this. Now, okay, we need to wait for more confirmation. I can't take another stab on it.
Yeah, it's a V reversal.
No, I think it's not likely gonna be V reversal here. It is just going to trap here. Look at the ES. ES didn't have any strength here. Um, Definitely it bounced, but still a lot of water sitting on the upside, downside. Oh yeah, I'm re-entering it is on this rejection. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. All right, very good. I got the two filled orders. I basically went very good shot. Come on. Okay, I'm not gonna sell. I'm not gonna look at this drop. Look at. Did you see that? How they trapped it? I'm not gonna go buy. And I'm not gonna close my last contract. I wanted to ride it to make the new low now. Very good trade. I'm almost the $1,000 up here. It's almost the 30 points drop. Did you see how they trap it? With
Yeah.
see that exactly was the reason that I was taking usually I don't take that quick stabs, right? The reason I was looking at it because I can clearly see this pattern coming in play. Hey Alex, good to see you, man. Awesome, congratulations, man, for the uh, for going into the NQ. All right. I'm going to add to my position under 75. Okay, I'm added. I'm going to take the partial close to the breakdown under the lows. I didn't like this bounce. I want this to go under 65. There's a lot of water sitting under 65. I think it's going to come up another big flush, I'm telling you. I think one more flush is coming here. Look at the ES. Here you go. Very good. Awesome. All right, awesome. My goodness. Oh my goodness. Almost $1,700 up. Come on. Come on. Come on. Man, why did I took the time off? I mean, I think it's another leg coming down. It's going to fail under the lows. I have a last contract remaining. I'm gonna take under the lows when it's going to break 23,250. I hope it's gonna break now. Guys, are you with me? Guys, did you show it? You too? Ashwin, Khurshid, did you guys? I'm trading it, guys. Okay, I'm stopped out from the last piece. I'm no more in the trade right now. I'm going to reevaluate later on. Awesome. Awesome, guys. I think I'm not gonna take any more trade. I'm almost 1,700, $1,400 up. How about you guys? How you guys doing? Okay, this is the retest of the Viva pre-market low. Let's see what it does. Vivek, what did I tell you? And I don't want to hear you tell me that you did not short.
I mean, it was so quick. I cannot short that quickly, right?
You didn't
Going
take
up.
anything. You didn't even take a single trade.
No, it was going up, so and suddenly it dropped, right? So uh, I needed.
What's the point of preparing a plan? Then if you think it's fast.
I know, but it is going up now. See, and
So
so it's.
this is market is going to go up, is going to go down. It's not
I
about
know.
going up and going down. You have to see the level. See now is the pre-market low. People wanna reshort it. I'm gonna reshort again MNQ here, not the NQ, but it's rejecting the pre-market low. I was waiting for it to reject the pre-market low, and I'm gonna re-enter it.
I think the
Okay,
plus.
I'm re-entered MNQ. It's not about going up and down. It's about the trend, right? So it's okay to take the stop loss, right? So I enter very small size here because we already profitable, and my risk would be the pre-market low break, which is 25295, and my entry is 25285, so 10-point stop loss. So if it's going to break above that, I'm going to be stopped out. If not, then my thesis is going to continue that market is trending down, and this three pre-market low would be respected, and it's respected now. See, it's coming back down here. So people have added into the short position. Okay, we could be wrong here. We could be wrong, and then trend is not changed, and we're going back up. If that's the case, that's fine. You just stop out and you come out from it and revalue the plan. See, if you do not need to chase the candles. You need to prepare your plan and wait to happen that, and then you execute it, and with the stop loss. If you are right, then you're gonna pay it out. If you're wrong, you're gonna stop out, right? Okay, it's working right now. It's working only on my 3 MNQ. I'm almost up $50 here. I want this to flush now and make the new low. And if it's going to make the new low, I'm going to add into my position. But right now, I see a lot of orders sitting on the upside as well, over 300. Okay. So since it's going into a direction, I'm going to start trailing it. It's really okay. Here you go. See, $100. I'm up $100. Just in the 3 MNQ, I was up $100 here. Where is going now, Vivek?
Hmm?
Where is it going now?
I mean, I see it going up and down. it's
No,
it's
that's not the right way to look at it, right?
yeah, I know. It's just that this NQ or MNQ, whatever, uh, is too. I mean, that tight stop loss doesn't work for me because it stops me out most of the times, right? then getting in, I mean, 95 you got in, but that was so quick. It just dropped 20 points there, right? And then because it was going up and then it went down.
No, it's
So
not a see. Then say don't say again. Again, I'm trying to correct you, but you keep repeating. It's not about going up and down. It is about the key level. There was a pre-market low level. Our thesis was that this pre-market low is not going to break, and the market going to retest here and then fail. And then when things fails, you see the aggressive move, and that's why you're right. You enter it with a tight stop loss on the key level, hoping your analysis is right.
yeah, but
And it gonna it see still I'm writing one contract. And it's okay you're gonna be failed. Just like I entered my first trade, I entered 25290, and then we stopped out when it broke the pre-market low 25295, if you remember, 10 points. Then I re-entered, and then I again stopped out at 300. Remember, two stop losses. But third, when I saw the big wick on the VWAP rejection, I entered it, and then we stopped out two times 10 points, and then we got almost over 50 points into the third. Here you go, see, ES is coming down here, man. NQ is also coming down. ES is making a new low. ES is just, I mean, ES just is a better mover than the NQ. Look at the NQ, just a chop show. I don't know, last few, I think before the vacation in that week, I was trading more NQ, and E is just moving very nicely. And in the last few weeks, I'm not trading ES much more, but ES, just look at how beautifully and nicely moving with a small risk. So if we have shorted 6,800 on the VWAP on ES didn't even claim the pre-market low. It just keep coming down. We would have been the better off by shorting the ES than the NQ. Perhaps last contract I have, I'm going to close it. It's not breaking down. I'm out. I'm all out. Almost the $1,500 profit. I don't think I'm going to take any more trade. I think I'm done here. Look at the see. This is the sometime look at the chart between ES and NQ. Look at this one. Look at the ES. This is the ES chart. See how beautifully it's coming down, making a lower highs. NQ doing the same thing, but NQ is just a little bit more chop. But ES is much more clean. Look at this. How beautiful it's coming back down. Right? How beautifully, look at this. Done, 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 done. Still never broke the previous high. But ES NQ has had too much noise. Look at this. NQ has a lot of noise here. So if you look at the NQ came down, up. So NQ has a lot of noise than the ES. ES is much more cleaner. Anyway, we made a trade. Guys, do you think that we deserve a likes and thumbs up? Kushit, did you take the other shorts? Ashwin, did you take other shorts? What about other guys on the YouTube? Alex, Joshi, did you guys take the other short which I called it out? You were chicken out as well. I think the trend is still the down. See here, it's still the downtrend. So see, it's still making the lower highs. It's still making the lower highs, right? But on the 1 minute, NQ has reclaimed the 21 EMA, and there are a lot of orders sitting now on the upside up to the 22 300. So I'm not sure what possibility would come in. But if you look at the ES is still really weak, and NQ is still under the 9 EMA on a 5 minute. So still very much weak, and the downtrend still continued. So I'm not really interested in going long, but the risk to reward is getting lower and lower. Uh, Unless we see a clear consolidation uh, under the break of 22,250. Yeah, I don't know why you guys are afraid of taking stop. Or are you risking? Are you guys risking too much?
So do you want to log the trade today?
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Which one? Which ones? The first one was super quick, right?
Yep. So first one was the under 310, 315, and then we took the profit at 25295.
Five, nine, five. Okay. And then the second one,
And the second one, just put it there, 25 300, and short, and then profit is 25 250.
25 to
Wait,
50,
just give me 1 second. Yes, 250.
50 points. That's 50 points, right?
Yeah, but we had it. But we had. Here you go. See here, it's breaking down again. It's breaking down. I think this time it's going to break down. It seems to me then. Here you go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Break down.
There's no third trade, or there's a
I will.
third
I
trade?
will tell you. Yeah, because there's two small stop losses as well. Okay. Okay. I'm in the trade here. I'm just gonna trade this. 265. Come on, break down under the lows. Come on. 65, 60. Come on. Here you go. No, 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 no pullback. Come on. It's a bizarre price move, really. No. Well, I think it's going to break under the lows. I'm in the trade. If those who have not entered, they can re-enter here if they wanted to enter under 22 to 70. I'm already in the trade. You guys, if wanna enter 22 to 70, and stop loss is over 22 to 80. So 10 point stop loss here. Okay, good. Moving in a direction. Come on, I want under the lows. I want this to break and then retest S3, which is 24, 25 to 20. Or anything under 25 to 50, I'm going to start taking partials. Come on, fail. Come on here. There's a lot of water sitting on the upside as well, but there are a lot of sitting on the downside pressure as well, building the downside pressure. ES is already under the lows. It's almost 10:15. NQ likely going to make the breakdown under here. All right, here. Come on. No, 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 no. Again bouncing. This is a bizarre move. Come on. See, look at the order stacking. The orders are stacking on the downside here. Come on. Here you go. Come on. Push. Down, down. There's a lot of orders sitting downside, but it's still thinking to move back up. That's not good. Come on. Okay, I think it's going to stop out here. All right. No, no, not really. Here you go. Here you go. Come on, come on. Under the lows. Come on. Come on. Don't go. See this. See somebody is, bringing the order up on the book map. I think that's not a good sign. So the moment the price came in, somebody lifted the orders. So it means that they are really worried about that market might not want to come down there. So I'm going to put onto our stop loss at the break even now because it seems a little weird the way the book map is doing it. So the way they're pushing the orders on the upside as well. Despite there are no orders, but they're playing with it. So I'm really worried about now the way they're manipulating uh, the move. I don't want any spike. Okay, this time again, if it's going try to go back up over 75, 76, I'm going to stop out. I'll take a small loss because I don't want a spike on me. Okay, it's coming back down again. Okay, all right, we saved. Here you go. Here you go. I think this is going to go see under the lows now. Come on, go. Here you go. Here you go. Guys, get ready. This is going to drop 50 points immediately. Put the limit orders under 50, 40s, something like that. If it's going to fail, it's going to fail very quickly. Look, again, it's manipulated, man. What is trying to do? Just teasing us, huh? A very nice consolidation happening right now, but I don't like. Okay, I'm going to stop out here. I'm going to put the stop order under 76. If it's going to break at 76, I'm going to be out. The moment I say it's going to start coming back down. Okay, I'm putting my final order stop loss 77.75. If it's going to break down, spike up, I'm going to be out. I'm fine with it because it's just teasing too much. It's a 5 minutes on a 5 minute made a doji too, so I'm not sure that where it's going to go down now. I really think the setup is for the new lows. Here you go. Come on, come on. Oh, I think its new low is coming, guys. New lows are coming. Come on, here you go. New lows are coming. Start trailing it. Okay, my limit order is 22 to 45, and let's see if we can. Here you go. Here you go. Start trailing it, guys. Start trailing it. Come on, come on. Come on. It's just a 10 point. I want more. It's bounce back again. What the little punk it is. Okay, I think that this is it's a little getting crazy. The way it is manipulating. I'm still in the trade, but I don't like the price action. This is complete reversal of our previous red candle. I'm not sure you guys are able to take some profit out, but I wanted to see the breakdown under 23 to 50 or 60s areas, which never came in. I think here you go. I think this breakdown is going to be super big breakdown. Here you go. Here you go. Coming, guys. Come on, start trading it. Trading it. Let it break 50. Come on. Come on. Come on. You waited so long. Come on. I think this is going to be the last. All right, I'm trailing it. I'm going to put the stop loss at 66. If it's going to spike back again, I'm going to be out. I don't want to. I don't want to play with this. 66 is my stop loss. Trading stop loss. Come on. Make the new low. Come on, guys. Everybody stay together. All right,
Yeah,
I'm.
I have to drop off. So
Sorry, what drop off?
yeah, I have to go somewhere.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
guys. You go ahead, Barak. Thank you so
Thank,
much for coming.
thanks. Bye.
All right, my 66 is my stop loss. Okay, I think, but it's looking really, really nice. It's going to come back down. Anyone in the trade with me? 66 is my stop loss. Okay, I stopped out. I stopped out from this. I think it's still going to go down, but I don't have a patience to wait for now for breakdown. It's taking too long for the breakdown. I'm out. How about you guys on the YouTube? Did a really good job today? Do you think we deserve likes and thumbs up? Why are you guys so quiet today? It retested again 75 and then coming back down. Are you saying something or what? I can't hear you guys. E is still making a new lows, but NQ is just a pain in the ass. It's going down now. Here you go. Here you go. Good job, guys. I think it's holding S3 and ES is close to S4. Alright guys, I'm not in the trade, I'm out completely. Already guys, I think this is a really good day. I think it seems like a reversal. NQ is holding the prior high. Or not really. See, as far as it's holding 52, 50 area, it's likely be that it may reverse. If not, we're looking for some consolidation here before it make a new leg down. A lot of orders sitting on the upside. Almost 30 minutes before the 10:30, 3 minutes before the 10:30 mark. One more minute before the 10:30 mark. I think it's going to break down now. Let's see, I think it's going to 220. Come on. New low again. Then pushing down. Here you go. I think it's still really, really weak at this point. I think it's making the 200 area really, really going to work here. Exactly at the S3. Let's see, can it hold S3 or is just going to drop under that too? There are no more orders underneath. They disappeared. The order is 25 to 10. Now the next order is sitting at 25 to 100. I think it's going making a new low now. Here you go, S3 broke. I think it's going to completely reverse as we discussed this morning, guys. Anyone have was there when I was doing this analysis? Guys, it's coming down, it's coming all the way down. Another consolidation on the 1 minute chart. Look at this beautiful consolidation happening now. All right, guys, I'm thinking I'm going to take a time off now. I'm not taking any more trades. I was still really, really good profit today. And those who have missed the morning analysis, they just go back and look at it. Um, it's really important for you guys to understand that how we have how I've analyzed the market, and you know uh, I was watching. Is there anything else we can do? In the pre-market, the morning analysis is part of the stream, 9 o'clock. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. See you guys tomorrow. And if you have missed the my analysis, please go back and look at the stream on the back again. I'm telling you, we have predicted today, this morning, that it's going to be a complete reversal day for what we have seen yesterday. So, guys, if you've enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up. If you have not given to us, I know sometimes you guys get busy, but really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and share if you enjoyed our stream and you've learned and you made a good trades with us. Spread the word so that we can have a more following. Thank you so much, guys. Appreciate everyone. Bye, Alex, Joshi, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye, Krushi.